Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. By choosing the right exercises that focus on your abdominal muscles, you can lose belly fat and reduce your waist size quickly and easily. Let's start these 5 minutes exercises. Before we go ahead with these exercises, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips. 1. Bicycle crunches. Lie down on a mat, flex your knees, and lift your feet off the floor. Place a thumb at the back of each ear. Hold the back of your head with the rest of the fingers. Lift your head off the floor. This is the starting position. Push your left leg down and extend it straight. Simultaneously, curl up and twist to your right. Try to touch your left elbow with your right knee. Curl back down and bring your left leg back to the flexed position. Do the same with the other leg. Do 2 sets of 12 reps. Take a 10-second break before doing the next exercise. 2. Heel touch. Lie down on a mat. Keep your legs flexed, feet wider than shoulder width apart, and flat. Keep your hands by your side, chin up, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Bend sideways and try to touch your right heel with your right hand. Bend toward the other side and try to touch your left heel with your left hand. Do 20 of these to finish one set. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. Take a 20-second break before moving on to the next exercise. 3. Jackknife Crunch. Lie down on a mat. Extend your hands over your head. This is the starting position. Keeping your back and neck in the same line, lift your upper body. Simultaneously, lift both your feet off the floor. Try touching your knees with your hands. Get back to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. 4. Leg in and out. Sit on a mat. Place your hands behind you, with the palms flat on the mat. Lift your legs off the floor and lean back a little. This is the starting position. Tuck both your legs in. Simultaneously, bring your upper body close to your knees. Go back to the starting position. Do 2 sets of 20 reps. 5. Flutter Kicks. Start by lying on a mat. Make sure to keep your legs together, then extend them forward, bringing them to your eye-level vertical bar. Next, tighten the abs, lift your feet off the ground, and begin moving your legs up and down. Repeat 15 times, then take a break, and repeat 15 times again. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more contents to become fitter, healthier and more confident.